Hey honey, like that doesn't look like no ordinary rain, it's all green and stuff.
Huh, let me see. You're right, and it's also pitch dark out there. Well, since that's happening, what do you want to do?
Well, do you want to watch TV?
Yeah, sure, let's see what's going on the news.
Oh shit, the power went out.
It's probably because of the rain. I'm going to turn it back on.
I hope this is not the apocalypse. Green rain and the sky is pitch dark is not normal. I'm going to look up what it means. Oh my god. What? We're going to die.
Hey, the power would not turn back on. What's wrong?
I just looked up what does it mean if it rained green and why is it so dark. And it came up as acid rain. So it is an apocalypse.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we're doomed.
At 10:34 p.m., Environment Canada has issued a shelter-in-place for Toronto. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking acid that is falling from the sky. The acid can burn trees, grass, houses, and businesses. Seek shelter now. Consult local media, if necessary. This message will translate into French. Please stand by.
At 10h34 p.m., Environment Canada has issued a shelter-in-place for Toronto. Environment Canada meteorology are tracking acid that is falling from the sky. The acid can burn trees, grass, houses and businesses. Seek shelter now. Consult local media, if necessary. This message will translate into French. Please stand by.
Oh, great. Now it's a shelter-in-place warning. Just great.
Well, we just don't have time to stand here. Let's go in the shelter.
Phew, we're safe. Hey, I'm meaning to ask you something.
What is it?
If we die here, just know, I will always love you.
Aw, that was so sweet of you.
Kiss, 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 kiss.
No.
Anyway, when I looked up, what does it mean if the sky rained green? It said someone did it, like a scientist, and anyone has to stop him.
Well, we can't stop him, unless...
What? You have an idea?
By the power of teamwork, we can build a steel truck and track him down.
That's actually a good idea. Let's go.
Hey Joey, wake up, we're done.
Wait, we are?
Yes, now let's track him down for good.
It is a fucking ghost town. There is nobody on the road except for us.
Yeah, I know. Hey, look over there.
It's him.
Ram him.
Yes, we killed him. Say, do you want to go back home and party?
Yes, let's go.
Hey, thanks for the help.
No problem, I love you.
I love you too. Haha, thanks for that.
Ha 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 ha.